Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up tutorial. So today I'm so excited. I wanted to share some new product with you that has become available as of today when I am sharing this video, which is November the 1st, 2022. So this is the framed florets collection that you can get right now, and actually the framed florets bundle. This is an early release of product that is featured in the upcoming January through June mini catalog. So anyways, so this is an early release. This set is in that upcoming catalog, and then there are some exclusive limited time products that are also available that you can get in conjunction with this bundle that coordinate really well with this bundle, but they are limited time. They are while supplies last, and I have a feeling it's not gonna last long. Just gonna say, I have a feeling. So anyways, so I wanted to share this product with you and let you take a look at it up close, because I know seeing printed images, sometimes it just doesn't do the product justice. So I wanted to show it to you up close. So let's start with the stamp sets. So this is the framed florets stamp set. So again, this is the one that is featured in the upcoming January through June mini catalog, but we're getting access to it early right now. So this is the stamp set. Love this stamp set. And you guys know I'm a fan of mixed fonts. I love when they kind of mix this, like here they have this caps, this all caps, very straight font, but also it's got kind of this little curve to it a little bit. Like if you look at the R's, just really, really cute, fun. And then they threw in that cursive with it. I love mixed font sentiments. I just love it. So yeah, really pretty. And then you've got some floral images that are really nice. And yeah, just some great sentiments that you can use for a variety of occasions. And again, this one is available as a bundle with the coordinating dies. And and you save 10% if you get the bundle. And what's really great about these dies is there are ovals in here, you guys. We haven't had ovals. I feel like it's been a while since we've had ovals. But anyways, I love these. So you've got some floral dies here that cut out the images from the framed florets stamp set. And then you've got these fun ovals. I really like this one. This is going to be really fun to do some Valentine projects with the little hearts. I think that is so, so cute. And I'm kind of interested to see how that cuts. Also this one, I feel like this one, so hopefully you can see those tiny little hearts, really cute. And then this one, I feel like, sorry, somebody just revved their engine past the house. I feel like this one maybe gives some sort of embossed lines around the oval, but I haven't tried these out. I literally just got these got this collection in the mail on Friday, and I haven't tried anything out yet. And then you've got this one, which is again another really pretty detailed oval. So I'm not quite sure exactly how each of these ovals works, or you know what they cut, what cuts and what doesn't. So I'm excited to play around with them, but really fun. So these are the dies. So again, these are the framed florets dies, which you can get as the bundle with the framed florets stamp set. Okay, so I'm gonna interrupt my own video. I actually have already ended this video, and I'm in the process of editing it right now, and I just paused the editing to come back because I want to add this in here. I want to go ahead and try these. Whoop! As I was saying, I want to go ahead and try these dies out because I want you to see how these three different ovals cut, and plus I'm just super interested in trying it too, so I might as well show you that since the whole purpose of this video is to give you as much information as I can about this collection of products. So let me go get my stamp and cut and emboss machine. Okay, so I have got my full-size stamp and cut and emboss machine here, and we are going to put plate number 1, plate number 2, and then I have got cutting plates here. Okay, and I just cut down some retired cardstock. So I've got that, and let's just see what these little dies, how they cut. So I am going to grab, I'm just gonna start with these 2 and just lay them down individually as they are. Okay, let's just run these through, see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the little lined one. Okay, so this one, it actually gives us an oval shape. I mean, just a solid oval shape. And then we also get this little, let me move that out of the way so I can get this to focus. Then we also get just this little border piece with the dashed lines. So those aren't embossed, there's space between them. So there's like little slashes between. So that's pretty. Okay, so we've got those 2 pieces from this one die. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, so then the heart die doesn't actually cut the oval out. It just cuts out all of the tiny hearts. So, okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I cut down this piece to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, which is usually the first layer that I'll put on most of my cards. That's the size of, usually of my first layer. And then I've just got another piece of that cardstock, and on this larger piece, I'm gonna put this one, just see what that looks like. But then I wanna take that heart one, where did it go? Okay, so I've got the heart one, and I wanna center that up on this piece. Okay, just trying to keep that in place. Okay. Okay, so this detailed one cuts all the way out and again gives you, so you get a solid oval shape, and there's kind of like a double line around the edge of the shape. And then you also get the frame. Just need to pop these little pieces out, but you also get the frame. So that's really pretty. So detailed. So we've got that and that. And then the reason I wanted to do this was so you could make this, oh, you know what? I wanted to cut the center out of this. So I meant to run this through with this piece in the middle. Let me do that because I want to get the center out of that. I want it to be open. There we go. That should, yeah. Okay, so that's pretty. So you could have this as a layer on your card, and then you still are left with 2 other pieces, and then all of those tiny little hearts too. So, okay. All right. Okay, so I just wanted to give you an idea of how those dies work. So hopefully seeing those dies in action was helpful for you. Then we have got this other stamp set, limited time set. This is framed and festive. So you've got the same mixed font again. So the look of the stamp set coordinates really well with this one. You can coordinate it with the images as well. You've got all of these great sentiments, Christmas themed sentiments. I love that. So this one, the framed florets, which I didn't realize this, but this one is photopolymer. I didn't pay attention to that at first. So this is a photopolymer set, which I love the smell of photopolymer. I wish somebody would make that into a perfume, y'all. I would wear it. Maybe I'm supposed to be the one to make it into a perfume. Okay, then the Framed and Festive is a cling stamp set. Okay, so you've got a photopolymer and a cling. Okay, so that's that. Then we have got these gorgeous embellishments. These are the gold adhesive backed swirls. They are so pretty. I believe you get 75 of these. Yes, 75. It's so crazy. It doesn't look like 75, but it's 75. These are so pretty. Let me stand up. I want to be sure you can really see them. And that's so pretty. Oh, there you can really see the detail on them. But I mean, gold is just always beautiful, but you've got that little detail, that little swirl on top of these. So really, really pretty. Okay. And then let's get into this paper, which some of these dies coordinate with images in the paper. So this is the Fitting Florets 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. So you get 12 sheets of Designer Series paper, two sheets of each design. They're double-sided designs, so 2 of each double-sided design. So here is the first one, really pretty, and I know that some of the dies, I think it's this right here, coordinates. Yep. Oh, so pretty. So you can cut those out. Really, really pretty Designer Series paper. And let me actually see the colors here. So we've got Balmy Blue, Blushing Bride, Crushed Curry, Evening Evergreen, Night of Navy, Polished Pink, Soft Succulent. So the challenge with this Designer Series paper for the artist who designed it was to make this paper something that could fit, you know, spring, summertime, but also could fit Christmas so that you can take advantage of this limited time framed and festive stamp set. So really cool to see how they worked that out with the paper. So let's keep going here. Ooh, this looks so pretty together. I think pink and green are so nice together. So here's the next pattern. Really, really pretty. I mean, not traditional in colors as far as Christmas is concerned, but you can make really cute Christmas cards with these two patterns together, and that stamp set, just really, really pretty. And then next, ooh, oh my gosh, that Balmy Blue is popping. That looks so good. I would have never paired Balmy Blue with Soft Succulent. I've never done that. That's really, really pretty together. And with the Evening Evergreen, would have never done that. So that's gorgeous. Hopefully you can see that really well. Then we've got this double-sided design. So I'm just showing you the front and the back at the same time, but really pretty. Almost seems like this is a smaller version of that first pattern I showed you. It feels like it's just the scale is, let me look at that one again. Yeah, it looks like a smaller, very similar, but it's slightly different, smaller version of that first pattern. And then here is the next one. Okay, there we go. I wonder, I think I meant to do it like that. Yeah, pretty. This would be cute for Valentine's, something Valentine's themed with the pretty pink, polished pink. And then this one here, which I meant to do like this, but very, very pretty. Again, that Balmy Blue mixed with Evening Evergreen. So really pretty. I think the paper is gorgeous. I feel like we always nail that Designer Series paper. So let me just bring everything back. All right, so I am really excited, you guys, to spend some time with this collection over the next couple of days and come up with some cards and some ideas for you guys. So really pretty. I will link to everything in this collection down below. So you can, obviously you can purchase any of these pieces by themselves if you want anything just individually as well. So everything will be linked down below, okay? So I hope you guys are excited about this Fitting Florets collection, the early release of the framed florets bundle, and then also, you know, just the fun exclusive products that are included with this. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.